Does your PC slow down? Do these 7 easy steps to clean C drive in Windows 11 and boost performance. Step 1. Click on your Start button. Type Disk Cleanup. You need all the steps in this video for better performance. Do not skip any of these steps. When Disk Cleanup appears, click on it to launch. Don't worry, everything I'm showing here is completely safe. Nothing will harm your files. When you see this, select every option here. After selecting, click on Clean Up System Files. This will calculate the amount of space that will be freed on your C drive. While we wait, take a second to like and subscribe to our channel by clicking the red subscribe button below. In this section, select All Options. When you're done selecting, click on the OK button and next, click on Delete Files. This will clean up all temporary files in your Windows 11 C drive. Depending on the files found, this may take a minute or two. Just wait for it to finish and watch your PC speed up again. Step 1 complete. Let's move to Step 2. Click on the Start button. On the Start menu, type Run. Click on the Run option. You can also display the Run box by pressing Ctrl+A button on your keyboard. Type temp. Text is on screen. Click on OK. When you see this, click on Continue. This will take you to list of files. They're all temporal files. They slow down your PC. Now select them all. To select all, use your Ctrl+A button. Right-click and left-click on Delete. Everything is cleaned up. Was this helpful? If yes, click on the like and subscribe button below. Step 3. Click on the Start button. On the Start menu, type Run. Click on Run to launch the application. Type %temp%. Text is on screen. Click on OK after typing. List of temporal files will display. You don't need them. They slow down the speed of your PC. Select all. Right-click and left-click on the Delete option. When you see a box like this, click on Do this for all current items and click on Continue. Now wait for all files to be deleted. Note, most temporal files won't delete. Let's go to Step 4. Click on your Start button. Type Run. Click on Run to launch. This time type prefetch. After typing, click on OK. Click on Continue. This will open list of hidden temporal files. Just like the other steps, you should delete them. Click on the like button below, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know if this video helped you. Now, let's go to step 5. Click on Start button. This time, search for Task Manager. In step 5, you will be disabling startup programs. They slow down your PC when it boots up. Startup program slows down your PC because they start running in the background when you turn it on, using memory and making boot time longer. To disable, click on the ones that says Enable. And select Disable at the top left. Repeat that for other applications that says Enable. Before going to step 6, please like and subscribe. It will encourage us to make more videos like this. Step 6. Open your recycle bin. Make sure you delete all unuseful files from here. To do that, click on Empty Recycle Bin. You'll be asked if you're sure you want to empty recycle bin. If you are sure, click Yes. If not, so click on No. Do this for current items and click on Continue. Allow files to delete, and I promise you, your laptop or PC will run faster and smoother again like new one. Check description below, we have other videos that might interest you. Leave a comment below with what video you want us to make next. Step 7. Click on the Start button. Search, Add or Remove Programs. Click on it to launch. Here I want you to uninstall any unuseful application. I'm doing just the same thing I'll be doing here. Click on the 3 dotted icons and select the option which says Uninstall. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.